Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Grand Cherokee front bumper. First, let's prepare by gathering your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a drill or razor blade for plastic rivets. Always prioritize safety by parking on a level surface, turning off the engine, and engaging the parking brake. Wearing safety glasses and gloves is also a good idea to protect your hands and eyes. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners underneath and in the wheel wells. Start by crawling under the front of your Jeep and removing the 4 to 6 twist-off clips along the lower bumper edge. Then, move to each wheel well. Here, you'll find 2 plastic rivets and one 10mm bolt that need to be removed. Carefully pull back the fender flare where it meets the bumper to access any additional clips. Now, let's address the upper section and electrical connections. Pop your hood and locate the 2 push pins along the top of the grille. Use a flathead screwdriver to release them. Crucially, before fully detaching the bumper, reach behind the fender liner to unplug the fog light connectors on both sides. If your Grand Cherokee has parking sensors, remember to disconnect their main wiring harness, typically found on the passenger side. With all fasteners and electrical connections released, you can now carefully pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle. It should detach with a gentle tug once all clips are free. Be sure to have a soft surface, like a blanket, ready to place the bumper on to avoid any scratches. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps, making sure every clip, bolt, and electrical connector is securely fastened for a safe and proper fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.